Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada with an Avada short. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at naming page content in Avada for organization. By the end of this video you'll understand how you can rename all your content items so that you can easily find exactly what you're looking for in the navigator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all new Avada videos. Alright, let's jump in. With Avada 7.15.2, renaming of both columns and elements was added, and with this addition it means that all builder content can now be named for better organization and ease of use in the navigator. This is particularly useful in the live builder, but also applies in the backend builder. Let's start with some default content. As we can see in the navigator, the designer has named the containers for easy reference, but the columns and elements within just display the type of element they are, and with columns their size as well. Adding the ability to name both columns and elements means you can name every piece of your content, which is particularly useful on long pages or pages with multiple examples of the same type of content. You name a column or element in exactly the same way you do with a container, simply by selecting it and typing in the name at the very top of the element. No need to save. If we just close the element to return to the navigator, we can see it has been renamed. So give me a minute and I'll just do a bit of renaming. Okay, now look at that. For the organizationally minded, this is neat and tidy, and it's now very easy to scan for particular items. And if we still can't find them, we can also search. Another feature added in Avada 7.15.2 was the ability to search in the navigator for items. So just like the page options and the global options tab, there is now a search field at the top of the navigator tab. So if I do a quick search, say button, all our instances of that element are displayed. Very organized and very cool. If we take a quick look at the backend builder, we can see how all items have also had their names added to the top of the elements. Okay, that's just another small addition to Avada to help you with your content organization. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more Avada tutorials and deep dives. And if you have any questions or need help, feel free to create a support ticket. Our team is always ready to help. As always, thank you for choosing Avada.